Okay, I'm trying. Yay! It's taste of Korea. So good. So I'm a big tteokbokki lover. Big fan. But as a vegan, it's a bit difficult. It's not a bit difficult, it's actually pretty difficult to find vegan tteokbokki in Korea. So I started to come up with my own recipe. And today, I reached the top. Really, it was the best tteokbokki I've ever had in my life. You must try it, you must make it, and then you'll try the best tteokbokki in your life. Alright. So, this is 떡, aka rice cake that I'll be using. I'm super excited to try this one because I've been missing this fat, round, tubular type of rice cake. I finally found it. The Asian market that I usually go finally have this. Making only one portion today, so I'll use like 8 or 9. So that's usually one portion, so if you're making more portions, just add more. And actually you can use any kind of rice cake that you have at home. This tubular type is the one that I'm going to be using today. And the other type that I would recommend is this sliced rice cake. It's also very delicious. It wouldn't be the most basic tteokbokki, but it's also highly recommendable. First step is to soak your rice cake in cold water just for a few minutes. These are the vegetables that I'm using today: cabbage, green onion, and broccoli. Cabbage is a must, I would say, and green onion it's also a must, but broccoli you can just skip it if you don't have it. I'm just adding it to make it a little bit more healthier. And for the sauce, this is important, guys. You have to have this gochujang, Korean chili paste. I got it in Asian store here. Korean chili paste. Get this one. And soy sauce. And usually I use sugar, but today I'm just using agave syrup. You can use any sweetener that you have. And tomato puree. It's doing pretty much work done in this tteokbokki recipe. If you don't have it, you can just use fresh tomato as well. But today I'm just using this puree because I don't have fresh tomato. Also, if you want to add some more spiciness, you can add Korean chili powder as well. But I usually skip it, so you don't have to have it. Green onion, we're not using the root. White part, just chop it, like slice it. And green part, you would need to chop it in a bigger chunk, like this. Yeah, this is good, like this. And cabbage, just like this. Vegetable oil, and for the chili piece, I'm just using this real tablespoon. 1 big tablespoon, like I would say this amount would be nice. Yeah. So what we're doing now is to fry the chili paste. And then we put white part of green onion. Ta-da! It's done. I'm super excited to try. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm trying 떡볶이. Yay! First, I'm gonna try this 떡. It's taste of Korea. So good. It's really, really good.